Hello everyone, my name is Aparna Srivastav and today I am presenting my project on online retail sales analysis and dashboard creation using Excel. The purpose of this project was to analyze retail transaction data and extract meaningful business insights that can help organizations improve decision making. In this project, I performed data cleaning, sales analysis, customer analysis, product return analysis, customer segmentations, and finally developed an interactive dashboard. Through this project, I learned how raw business data can be transformed using useful insight using analytical tools. Project objective and business problem. Before starting any analysis, it is important to understand the business problem. Retail companies generate thousands of transactions every day. Without proper analysis, it becomes difficult to understand which products perform well, which customers generate maximum revenue, and what factors affect sales. The objective of this project was to analyze retail sales performance, to identify top selling products, to study customer purchasing behavior, to identify cancellation and return patterns, to understand geographical sales and distributions, to segment customers based on spending behavior, to build an interactive dashboard for decision making. These objectives help business make data-driven decisions rather than relying on assumptions. Now we move forwards to dataset overview. Now, the dataset contains online retail transaction records. The major columns are invoice number, product count, product code, product description, quantity, voice data, unit price, customer ID, countries, and sales, cancellation flag, years, month, percentile check. Each row represents a customer transaction. The dataset contains both completed and cancelled transaction. This dataset is useful because it allows us to analyze customer behavior, sales trend, product performance, and geographical distribution. The dataset spans multiple countries and contains a large number of transaction records, making it suitable for business analysis. Then the tools and technologies used. For this project, I used several Excel features and tools. The first tools were Power Query. Power Query is used for data cleaning, data transformation, and data preparation. And some data cleanings are used in Excel only. I had used Excel. Then pivot table helps summarize large amount of data quickly and efficiently. I use pivot table for product analysis, customer analysis, country analysis, monthly sales analysis. I also use Excel formulas such as if, sum if, rank, quartile, percentile. For visualization, I use bar chart, line chart, pie charts, different charts for uses. And finally, I use Slicer to create an interactive dashboard. These tools together help complete the entire analytical workflow. And the data cleaning and preparation. Data cleaning is one of the most important steps in any analysis project. I imported the dataset first into the Power Query and verified data types. For example, invoice date was converted into date time format, quantity were converted into whole number, unit price were converted into decimal number. After that, in Excel, I checked for duplicate records. Duplicate records were distorted analysis results, so they were removed. Next, I created a total sales column by multiplying quantity and unit price. This sales column, quantity multiplied by price. This column was later used in revenue calculation. I also created a cancellation flag column to identify cancelled transaction. Finally, I created a month-year column which helped in monthly trend analysis. After all transactions were completed, the clean data was loaded. Then we move forward to cancellation analysis. In the dataset, invoice number begin with the letter C represent cancellation transactions. In the dataset, I created a cancellation flag to classify records into completed and cancellation transaction. Using Excel formula and pivot table, I calculate the total value of cancelled transaction. I will show you. The analysis shows the cancellation contribute to revenue loss. Understanding cancellation is important because a high cancellation rate may indicate product dissatisfaction, delivery issue, pricing concern, operational inefficiencies. These are sum of cancellation, sum of completed order, total order, cancelled order, completed order. So these are the table I have made. Now business can use this information to reduce cancellation and improve customer satisfaction. Moving forward, we have product sales analysis. Using pivot table, I calculated total quantity sold, total revenue generated by each product. Then I identified the top performing product. The analysis revealed that a small number of products contributes significantly to total sales. This is common business pattern where a limited number of products drives most revenue. This is a product sales analysis power pivot table, and this is pivot chart. Business can use this insight to improve inventory management, focus marketing efforts, increase availability of high demand product. The visualizations clearly highlight the most successful products. Then pricing strategy analysis. In this analysis, I focused on product pricing. First, I calculated the average unit price of product. Then I used the 90th percentile method to identify premium price product. This is 90th percentile method, and this is the average of price. Product above this threshold were classified as high price product, and this analysis helped business understand their pricing distribution. The result indicate which product belong to the premium segment. Business can use this information to optimize pricing strategy and maximize profit margin. Then customer spending analysis. Customers are one of the most important assets for any business. Using pivot table, I calculated total spending by each customer. The results shown that a relatively small number of customers contribute a large percentage of total revenue. This finding highlights the importance of customer retention. Business should focus on loyalty programs personalized offers, customer engagement strategy to retain high value customer. 10. Monthly sales trend analysis. To understand sales performance over time, I performed monthly trend analysis. Using the month-year field, I aggregated sales by month. The result was visualized using a line chart. The chart shown fluctuation in sales over different months. These fluctuations may occur due to seasonal demand, promotional campaign, market conditions. Understanding trends help business forecast future sales and plan inventory efficiency. Then geographical sales analysis, also known as country sales analysis. In this analysis, I studied geographical sales distribution. Using pivot table, I calculated transaction counts and sales across countries. The result indicate that the United Kingdom contribute the largest share of transactions. This suggests that the company has a strong market presence in that region. Country level analysis help business identify strong markets, growth opportunities, expansion strategy. This information can support future business planning. Then, product return analysis. Product return directly affect profitability. In this dataset, negative quantity indicate return products. Overall return rate is relatively low. However, some products have higher return rate compared to others. Possible reason includes product quality issues, customer expectations mismatch, incorrect product descriptions. Reducing return rate can improve profitability and customer satisfaction. Then the customer segment analysis. Customer segment help business understand different customer groups. Using quartile analysis, I divided customer into high value customer, medium value customer and the low value. This classification was based on total customer spending. The analysis shows the high value customer contribute a major proportion of revenue. Businesses can use segment to create target market campaigns. Then the final dashboard. The dashboard combines all major analysis into a single view. It includes total sales, total transactions, average transaction, return rates, total sales KPI. I also added slicer for invoice date, cancellation flag and countries. User can interact with the dashboard and instantly view filtered results. This dashboard enables quick and efficient decision making. After that, we have key insight and recommendations. A small number of products drive most sales. High value customer contribute significantly to revenue. The United Kingdom is the dominant market, and so on. Then the conclusion. This product demonstrates how retail transaction data can be transformed into actionable business insight. The final dashboard provides a clear overview of business performance and supported data-driven decision making. Thank you for your time and attention.